So hello, today we're taking a look at a solar garden light. It actually comes with real instructions, and yeah, do we need them? No. This is how they look. I like them, you know, with this kind of translucent bubbly thing, solar panel on top. This is like formed like an old light bulb socket, because I guess they have repurposed this kind of thing for this. Yeah, now let's switch it on. And I have to say, I really like this effect. This bubbly kind of thing. I did modify the second one. It is now showing a, can't really see it on camera from the light, but it's now a greenish turquoise light. I did this by simply unscrewing it and adding a bit of colored foil into it. The foil is simply, now it's lit out of the way, whatever. This is the original light, and this is also a bit modified, I see, but a bit less. This is how it looks, fully original. Nice, isn't it? Yeah, okay, enough about the modification. Now let's just dig into it. Yeah, you can see it's just plastic foil from a packaging. This used to be some Easter cake, and that's just some of the colored part of it. Now let's take it apart. Okay, here's the switch. This is the part where it will fail. Water gets into it and then it doesn't turn on anymore. And how can we get this out here? Can we get it even out? We have a flashlight here to look into it. A working one, preferably. Yeah, this one from the early 2000s is bright as hell. Ah, interesting. Is there any screws? Oh, that seems to be loose. Oh yeah, that comes out easily. Oh, there's the other flashlight. There's the rubber thingy for the switch. A bit of silicone mud that holds the solar panel in. And the circuit board here. It's the classic design. We got here the, let me see. We got here the solar input, plus and minus. A little inductor. This is a coin cell style battery. And there is a smaller version of the classic chip they usually use. Yeah. You can modify the intensity of the light by changing the inductor. Changing the inductor's value. This white thing is just a bit of sticky stuff to hold it in place. It's fairly bright. Definitely enough to see in the dark. It's not compared to the flashlight, obviously, but you know. I like that. Yeah, it's a simple thing. And if you're able to get the solar panel out, probably by just cutting the plastic, we can modify the whole thing to do something else. Yeah. Let's look at a solar garden light and how you can make it look different. I mean, I like the look how it is, but I think this is kind of the bluish tint is giving it a bit more of this relaxed look. Yeah, by the way, this is solid plastic. It's not hollow. This is glued on top of here, so yeah, interesting. Yeah, this is this little solar garden light hanging ornament kind of thing. See you next time here on this channel.